So with all the craziness with immigration these days, there's notices coming out of cases being transferred. I knew immediately what it meant, but clients and other people that became clients had no idea what it meant, and it really scared the heck out of them. They were just coming up off from post-COVID crazy wait times, and they waited for a year or more, depending on the type of filing, and all of a sudden they got a transfer notice. What the heck is that? What does it mean? Never before had people been receiving notices saying that your case is being transferred. Transfer where? What does it mean? So the anxiety is not worth it, okay? Because what this is the government's attempt to try to resolve and fix a problem that was created maybe by them, maybe not by them, but they're trying to figure out how to make this stuff work. The government's sick of being sued by people, and I don't blame them. I'm not very empathetic to them, but I don't blame them. They're trying all sorts of things to try to get through the humongous million case or more, many millions cases of a backlog that started years and years ago and has been slowly, steadily getting worse. So transfer notices is the newest attempt for the government to try to resolve this backlog. I'm Attorney Lee Marvin. I specialize in immigration law, and I've been doing it for over a decade. I do it nationwide. My main office is in Michigan, Grand Rapids, Michigan, but I handle cases nationwide. So all these different service centers that people are getting transfer notices to, I deal with them. I've dealt with them for many years, and I would be happy to help you figure out how to move forward with your case or how to file your case with the proper office so that we can get you an approval as soon as possible. Call for a consultation. We do case evaluations for free. Call our number, 616-805-3435. Go to our website. Click on the link to schedule the appointment. We do things virtually. We do things in person if you happen to live in the area. We do whatever people need. If it's a video, if it's a phone call, whatever it is, we can help you. So give us a call, reach out, and I would love to help you resolve your problem. So back to the question at hand. What is this transfer notice business, and what does it really mean? Is it truly helpful? I think it could be. I think nobody's going to know for a while. Okay, we've been evaluating this for a while, and these notices are coming out left and right, and it's just too soon to tell. With a lot of this immigration tactics, you got to let the dust settle. You got to wait for people to get so upset that they threaten to sue the government. You kind of have to slow your roll, and it sucks. I'm telling you, it does, and there's a lot of pissed off people. Don't shoot the messenger, okay? People shoot the attorneys all the time because they don't care, right? They just want resolution. I get it, man. I'm very empathetic to my clients and to the plight of immigrants and family members of immigrants, okay? But keep the proper context. This is not something that resolves overnight. We're talking about the behemoth, slow dinosaur of the government. Nothing is fast. Everybody knows that, but everybody forgets it conveniently when they have a case, okay? So remember the perspective that you always have to have when you're dealing with the government. Wait. That's the way it is. Again, it might not seem fair, but that is the reality. When you go to the Secretary of State, the DMV, when you wait in line, you grab one of those little tags, your expectations are already set. You know it's going to take a long time. So yeah, you're frustrated. Yeah, you're screwing around your phone for seems like hours. But in reality, it really is not that long. With immigration, it kind of is that long, okay? But it's no different. It's a bureaucracy, and there's no changing it. We monitor stuff with our clients and our cases. And of course, I do updates like this to give people a general idea of how things are working. which is very important for expectations, right? Managing expectations, what's coming for the future, how can you plan around it? But we are managing our clients, and we're taking notice of these things, okay? So when we have a better idea of whether this is truly effective, I think it probably is. Because again, you have an extremely busy office like Nebraska. They've been shuffled recently. Nebraska was one of the quicker ones. Now they're the slowest, okay? Because they're shuffling things all around. So it depends where you were and where you are now. But the intent is to resolve these issues, okay? So whether it's quicker or not for you, I don't know. But they are trying to do it, and we just have to wait to see how long it's gonna take, okay? There's no recipe for speeding things. There is no magic. There is no expedited processing. It really is taking your lumps and waiting to see what happens. What I can do is what I do for all my clients every time. I do a damn good job. I file things the right way. I'm responsive, and I hold the government accountable to what the law says they're supposed to do. Now, that's not the same thing as time, right? I have no control over their time or their playbook. I have control over the filing. I have control over responding to requests, but that's it, okay? And I'm very effective with it, and I would be happy to help you or someone you know that maybe hasn't filed yet. I would love to help you succeed before you get to the waiting game. Because the way I do things, I file a case the way I would want to review it as the government, as the agent. I've had agents at interviews, they tell my clients, this was a fantastic filing. This attorney did a really good job. It made it really easy for us. That's my job, and I've been doing it for over a decade. It's magic if you've never done it, but if you've done as many as I have, it's not magic. It's just doing a damn good job. It's just being effective. It's providing the right information, using the right tactics, the right strategy, and being thorough and not being sloppy. So many attorneys are so freaking sloppy, it's not even funny. They do crap work because they don't really care. They're making money hand over fist. These fly-by-nights are these people that have lost the desire to serve their clients. They don't care, man. They're making tons of money off from ignorant clients that don't know how it works because they don't do the reviews, because they don't look at the videos, because they don't analyze the people that they're hiring who has their lives in their hand for a short period of time, okay? You got to read the reviews. You got to pick the right attorney who knows what they're doing and who actually cares about doing a good job. I'm one of those attorneys. I care about doing a good job because I care about my clients, but honestly, I don't want trouble. I don't want pissed off people. I want things to go smoothly and quickly as possible. I want the problem to be the government, not my client or mine, okay? It's pretty basic. It's effective, and we want to help you. So reach out to us, click subscribe, do whatever you need to do to reach out to me and my staff. We're all really experienced, and we do a darn good job. So again, Attorney Lee Marvin, I would love to help you with your case. Reach out to me today.